Hi everyone, today we're learning the G major scale for ABRSM. The fingering for G major is exactly the same as C major for both hands. It starts on G and ends on G. Remember, there's an F sharp in the key. Let's play the right hand 1 octave. The fingering is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going up, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 coming down. Now, 2 octaves. Play the first octave with the same pattern, and when you reach the top of the first octave, turn your thumb under to 1 for the second octave. Time for the left hand. The fingering for 1 octave is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now let's try 2 octaves with the left hand. The fingering is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 for the first octave, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 for the second. Stay steady. When you turn, keep your hand stable. Don't shake your wrist or elbow. Stay relaxed and controlled. Practice makes perfect, so keep going. You've got this. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more piano tips. Thank you, and happy playing.